Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the MSVCP140 dll missing error in Windows 11. First, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft website. In the search bar, type Visual C++ redistributable. Make sure you only download from Microsoft. Select the latest version and choose the x64 option if you are using a 64-bit system, which most Windows 11 computers use. Click Download, then open the installer when it finishes. Follow the instructions and complete the installation. Restart your computer. If the error is still there, you can manually download the DLL file and add it to the program folder that is causing the error. Open your web browser and search for MSVCP140 dll. Download from a trusted and official DLL website. Make sure you choose the version that matches your Windows system. Once the file is downloaded, open the folder where it is saved. Right-click the file and extract it. After extracting, copy the file. Now, go to the program folder that showed the error. To do this, right-click the program shortcut and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click and select Paste. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue. Now open the program again. If it works, the issue is fixed. If the problem continues, reinstall the program that is showing the error. By following these steps, you can fix the MSVCP140 dll missing error. Thanks for watching.